people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have prepared many interesting details from the streets. For a start, we got a friendly conversation between a biker and the van driver. The van driver fixes the helmet on the biker. Guys, before we move on to the next clip, subscribe to the channel and like this video. It's your support for me and that will give me motivation to make better and better content for you. Thank you so much. The scooter driver is returning home from his work. It's late and he's in a hurry. He had a hard day. Let's see. After a minor incident on the road, the driver got out of the first car. He is very angry, he is out of his mind and attacks the windshield of the car behind. Let's see.
Señor, tengo grabado acá, ¿lo quiere? Paremos acá un segundito y le paso mi contacto. Me parece que lo encerró el muchacho, pero no vi bien. Sí.
Calçada, senhora, calçada. Aí o arrombado do Hulk. Eu sou o Hulk. Vai dizer, você colocou pra cima dela, seu imbecil. Vai tomar no cu. E ela?
Karen is in a pickup behind. She is in a hurry. The bikers are bothering her because they have taken both lanes. Let's see her response to this.
Vai derrubar mesmo? Tá apressada, tiazinha, rapaz? Tá apressada, fia? Tá apressada? Tá apressada? Você anda com mais cuidado, viu? Sai da frente. Não, você sai com cuidado. Frente do caramba.
This is a really common situation that happens to bikers. When approaching a crossroad, slow down as much as possible. Many drivers look at you but don't see you. Let's see. Bikers ride on a winding road. They are a little tired and then mistakes happen. The biker uses navigation on the phone. At one point he looks at the phone and doesn't see that the car in front is braking. Let's see.
Oh! Get off your phone!
What's your profanity?
The biker ahead quarrels with the driver of the blue car. He's very angry and wants to get the driver out of the car. Biker who shoot this clip show his good qualities and try to prevent bigger problems such as fighting.
What the
Let's
fuck?
see.
Calme-toi, 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 calme-toi. Calme-toi 2 secondes, t'inquiète, laisse-le. On va appeler les flics, ok? Oh, on va appeler les flics. Calmez-vous, calmez-vous, on va appeler les flics, ok? Reste tranquille, reste tranquille. Il a grillé le feu rouge. T'as pas de caméra ou quoi? On va appeler les flics, t'inquiète. Oh, fais gaffe. Oh, calme-toi, on va appeler les flics. On va appeler les flics, calmez-vous.
Unlike a biker who has taken action, here we see a guy who, instead of helping, he shoots a video for YouTube. What's your opinion about this? Comment below.
Suis-le, 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 va avec lui. Tu vas appeler les flics? Hein? Tu vas appeler les flics? Tu veux le laisser partir? Ouais? Comme tu veux. C'est bon, ça va? C'est bon?
Le feu il la ramène.
Sérieux?
Moi une voiture.
Take your time.
This man has just stopped this guy who's on a bike because he has a cloth veil on his face that covers his mouth and nose.
What are you on about? What are you on about?
Pull it down,
Why?
because I asked you to.
Who are you?
Nobody. But I asked you
Exactly.
to do it. I
Well,
asked you to do it. I asked you to do it nicely. And I'm being very pleasant about it. You right, brother? You don't ride around like that.
I do.
Pull it down.
No. I don't want to swallow flies and hay fever. That's what I've got, hay fever and that.
You're gonna drive around with a mask on your face.
It's not a mask, it's helps with the congestion
Why? So
of the
I
road.
can't do that because I'm brown. But you can
You
do
what?
That. What?
What are you on about? What
Pull
are
it
you
down.
on about?
Pull it down.
No.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
What planet are you on?